Hello students, we are discussing JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1. Okay, let us see this question. It's a question from trigonometry functions. The value of this function 3 by 2 cos inverse root of 2 by 2 plus pi square plus 1 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 pi by pi square plus 2 plus tan inverse root 2 by pi. Okay, now say this question, it is better always to convert to tan inverse. Okay, so I am going to convert this cos inverse root of 2 by pi square. So this is what? This is root 2 by root of 2 plus pi square. So what I can do is, let us draw a triangle over here. This is root 2 by root of 2 plus pi square. So this will be what? Pi. Okay, because the hypotenuse is root of pi square plus 2. So this can be right as 3 by 2 tan inverse 3 by 2 tan inverse opposite by adjacent, that is pi by root 2 plus 1 by 4. See, when you look at this function, this is of the form 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So when you see such type of functions, you immediately remember 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so let us write like that, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So that means here you have to make 2, otherwise pi square, 2 or pi square equal to 1. Either you make 2 as 1 or pi square equal to, that means you have to divide by 2 or divide by pi square. Okay, so I am going to divide it by 2. So you will be getting what? Sin inverse 2 into dividing by 2, you will be getting pi by root 2 by 1 plus pi by root 2 square, that is what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta form, plus tan inverse. Okay, plus, see, when you look at this is root 2 by pi and this is what? Pi by root 2. Okay, so what I am going to do is, you take the reciprocal, that means cot inverse pi by root 2. Okay, cot inverse pi by root 2, which is immediately we can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse pi by root 2, tan inverse pi by root 2. Okay, so this pi by 2 I am writing over here, plus, see, 3 by 2 minus this is 1. Tan inverse pi by root 2 take outside, 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse pi by root 2 plus 1 by 4 into, see, look here, this is of the form, suppose I am putting pi by root 2 equal to tan theta, pi by root 2 is equal to tan theta, so you will be getting what? Sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so you are getting what? Sin inverse sin 2 theta, am I right? Sin inverse sin 2 theta, and see, sin inverse sin 2 theta, when you come to sin inverse sin 2 theta, you have to look at this 2 theta, is it coming in the range of sin inverse, because sin inverse is always between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. But if you look at this one, see, tan theta, this is pi by root 2, that is 3.14 by 1.4, which is always greater than 1. That means theta is greater than pi by 4 and less than pi by 2. Okay, theta is between pi by 4 and pi by 2. So what happens when you multiply by 2? 2 theta is less than, 2 theta is greater than pi by 2 and less than pi. Okay, so 2 theta is between pi by 2 and pi. So when you consider a sin inverse function, sin inverse of sin 2 theta, if this is greater than pi by 2, you have to look at the graph of sin inverse sin 2 theta. What is sin inverse sin x graph? Sin inverse sin x graph will be, it will be something like this. Okay, this is what? Sin inverse sin x graph. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, so this is what? Pi by 2 and this is pi. Okay, now our function is greater than our 2 theta is greater than pi by 2. So 2 theta is greater than pi by 2 means you have to look at this between pi and pi by 2. 2 theta is between pi and pi by 2. Okay, so that means you have to consider this graph. The graph is passing through pi, coming downward, so it is pi minus x. It is pi minus x. So sin inverse sin 2 theta is what? Pi minus 2 theta. Pi minus 2 theta. So you have to write it over here as sin inverse sin 2 theta. So let me write it over here, pi by 2 plus half tan inverse pi by root 2 plus pi minus 2 theta, Okay, and tan inverse pi by root 2 is what? Theta. Okay, tan inverse pi by root 2 is theta. And one more thing, I think I missed one 4 or 1 by 4 over here. There is a 1 by 4. Yeah, there is a 1 by 4 also there. So 1 by 4 into pi minus 2 theta. And this is theta. We can write pi by 2 plus half theta plus you multiply this pi 1 by 4 inside bracket pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Am I right? So this is pi half theta cancels. You will be getting what? Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. That is 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is the answer. 3 pi by 4 is the answer to this question. So it is actually a numerical question. So we have to put the value. I mean 3 into 3.14 divided by 4. That is 9.42 divided by 4. That is I think 2.56 I think 2.56 approximately 2.56 coming around. Okay, so this is actually a simple question, but you should know how to draw the graph of sine inverse sine 2 when it is greater than 1, when 2 theta is greater than pi by 2, you have to select that theta very carefully. Okay, so you have to write pi minus 2 theta. That is what one important highlight of that problem. Okay, so that is what this question. Okay, thank you.